What up, y'all? Big West here. Welcome to my Itachi Mangekyou Sharingan unboxing video. Before I get started, I just want to say a big thank you to Pinky Paradise who sent me these contacts for free. Right now they have free shipping and 10% off on all their products, so go to their website right now. As well, use the code BIGWEST to get a free mystery gift. If you don't want to see the full unboxing, you just want to see me struggle to put them on, go to the timestamp right here. I'm going to put on the screen. If you do, just stay tuned and watch the full thing. Thank you. What's going on, y'all? It's Big West here. So I got a new unboxing for you guys. I'm sure you guys have been waiting a long time, but it's finally here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Itachi Sharingan contact lenses. So, this is a package. I got this contacts in. Pretty big because I actually got two. Before I do anything, I just want to say a big thank you to Pinky Paradise. If you remember, they're the company that I bought the Byakugan contacts from a couple videos ago. So I ordered through them again. They sent me these contacts for free, so I'm really appreciative of them. I just want to say thank you before I start this video. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to rip these open and let you guys see what is inside. Right off the bat, the contact lens cases. I'm gonna go with these orange ones for this video. I do not know what this is, so hold on. So there's a little pouch right here. Switch it up a little bit. Inside it has, I think this is just like a neat little carrying case. Yeah, it's just a zipper pouch, nothing crazy. Man, I have no idea what the hell this is. So, I can't even guess, like the pictures don't help me out here. So I'm just not open this one up and just hold on a moment. Oh, we got some eyelid patches. So they reduce dark circles around your eyes. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of little nice stuff there. I don't know if you can read it or it's backwards, but that's all the stuff it says. So that's a very nice little thing, a little relaxation. We got a whole whack of stickers, yo. I haven't got stickers since I was like 5. That was at Pinky Paradise. Alright, that's cute. Get that out the way. And of course, we got 2 sets of Sharingan, but I'm gonna try and pick the right one. Hold on. Let's give this one a go. Open up these vials. And boom, we got our Itachi Mangekyou Sharingan. Oh, there we go. You can see, boom, right there, Itachi's Mangekyou Sharingan. So I'm really psyched about these. It looks real good. I'm gonna put them in the solution for a couple hours. Hopefully I'll be good, no redness. But yeah, I will be back very soon, and we're gonna be able to see what these look like in my eye. What up, y'all? I'm back. It's like a day later. I decided to actually wait it out. I want to do it properly for you guys. So I got my Katsuki t-shirt on, and we're gonna try on the Itachi Mangekyou Sharingan contacts. I'm really excited because they look really sweet. Alright, so I got them in here. Let's open them up and get this going.
Perfect.
It's probably the smoothest I've ever gotten it. Really proud of making progress. And you know, just to like complete the effect, got the Itachi headband. It's a little small, but I just got it just to do this for you guys. This is a little makeshift Itachi cosplay right there. There you got it. Yeah, but it looks really cool. So let me go in closer so you guys can see. So this is my left eye. Sorry, this is my right eye. Up, down, right, left. And it just looks sick. This eye really red. So really like the Itachi effect. But look, got up, down, right, left. Alright, so just another eye test. I'm gonna read some comments from one of my last videos. I said, Legend says 1 million people are still in this genjutsu. Mangekyou submachine gun. Like, come on. Like, bad timing. That's wrong. That's racist. The guy said, damn, why'd you kill your best friend? The guy said, when you take anime so far. Well, that's the point, right? We love it. That's when people dress up. So stop hating. Waka Flocka Uchiha. I've been getting that look like Waka Flocka all since high school, so I get it. But yeah, I can totally see fine. Just the hardest part is always just getting them in my eye, but once they're there, I'm chilling, I'm good, I can read, I can do everything. Slight little like red tint on the outside of everything I see, but that's just because they're colored contacts. And I'm gonna take these off now just so you guys can see. It's like that's two. And yeah, they're back on right now. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. It's really fun. I enjoy doing this. Let me know your favorite Sharingan user in the comments. I'll be back again for another anime unboxing pretty soon. So just subscribe so you don't miss out. Share this with a Naruto fan. And once again, big thank you to Pinky Paradise who sent me these contacts for free. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.